some vase holder, and for this project you're gonna use this saw. You can use regular hand saw or you can use this one, this combination. So table millimeter saw, and we need this just to cut the size we want and to hold this. So this is the first part. Next thing that you're gonna need for this is a paint. This is acrylic paint, and I use that color for this. Next one, those are bed springs, so it's easy. You can leave it this rusty look if you want vintage, or you can take a spray paint and make some paint. So here's the acrylic paint spray, and it's from FX from. So and yes, of course, you're gonna need these cable clips. They are 8 millimeters, but you can use, of course, a smaller one because here makes one gap. So I think it could be better to use 6 millimeters or so. Okay, let's make something. And don't forget, we need a hammer tool so we can smash something. Okay, let's make something.